So I want to show you this really cool app, Webull. It's a stocks investment app that takes the middleman out and empowers the individual to join the stock market. I just wanted to show you how this works and how cool it is, and welcome you to my journey towards financial freedom. I think it's really fun and exciting, and don't play with anything that you can't afford to lose, but think wisely, do your research, look at the overall market, and don't be afraid to take some risks. Nobody ever did anything great that didn't take a great risk. All the information is right here in front of you. You can watch. There's so much you can learn. I started with some pharmaceuticals, and now I'm looking into some dividend stocks. So I think there's a lot of opportunity and tons of money to be made. So welcome aboard, and let's check this out. You can check the overall market, which the whole market's kind of down, but it's been, 2021 is going to be a great year for investment. After COVID, everything dropping, once the economy and everything starts kicking back up. So while things are low now, would actually be a good time to get involved. But I just wanted to show you, this is my personal account. I'm not a CPA. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a broker. So this is for entertainment purposes only. But I thought it would be fun for you guys to join me on my journey and just see how it goes. So I'm building my portfolio. I started with just a few stocks, just, a little bit that I could, I wouldn't be afraid of, wouldn't miss it if I lost it, wouldn't, put me on the street or wouldn't be able to pay my bills. So only invest with what you're comfortable losing if it were to tank. So worst case scenario. But you can see I'm in on my market value. Almost $200 is basically what I'm in. But I have a tons of, ideas for the future for planning. So if you guys have any cool ideas, drop them in the comments below. If you use Webull, you like it, you don't like it. I also got Robinhood and Fidelity. So I'm hoping to build my portfolio and really make it strong. And so I'm going to take you guys with me on my journey. I've been on here about a week. I got 3 pharmaceuticals, caught some news about some treatment for Alzheimer's, and I'm thinking really positively about the pharmaceuticals, especially with COVID. It's a real risky business, but there's a lot of technological breakthroughs, tons of places. There's so much money floating around. There's no reason why every single one of you should not be making money off the stock market. So then I decided to get into some dividend stocks that will actually pay you to have your money invested in their company, mostly quarterly. And so pretty soon I'm going to be doing another video, so be sure to check that out on how to take 12 dividend stocks and set up your portfolio to where those stocks are paying you a dividend weekly. It's a super smart idea, and it's really a great passive income. This is really cool because this kind of stuff can make you money while you sleep. It's just an outstanding idea. So those are the stocks that I'm in. I'm building my portfolio even more coming soon, but I just wanted to show you how cool it is. You can click on each of these and you can see, oh, looks like the market's open somewhere. I'm already up on that one. I've lost a little money, but that's how it goes. You live and you learn. And, you can plan for the short term, try to catch a bump on a run and hop off, make a little. Invest long term, as, all these companies mature. Or you can get these dividend stocks. My goal is to get a piece of all the action. So if you like videos like these, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell for notifications to stay up to date on my journey to financial freedom as well as yours. Hopefully you'll have some feedback and we can share some stories and information, and all ride this money wave together. So here's your watch list on the main page. You can see, the majority of the market is just down. But you can click up here and just go to your positions, and those are your shares, your stocks. And you can kind of see these little graphs, and graphs and charts are great visual aids. Reds and greens, go, stop. There's tons of cool options on here that you can actually, preset. There's tons of options, tons of ways to make money, tons of settings. It's really fantastic if you're into data or analytics or anything about money or investing or your future. So also you can see this banner scrolling across the top, reminding everybody, Good Friday, April 2nd, all the stock exchanges will be closed. So don't forget that. But I just wanted to show you how cool this is. You can actually click on each one of these and it'll pull up your graph and your timeline. So you can actually, you do your research on the company, you find good companies, but if you want to kind of really, check the history, you can check and click, on the 1 day. You can check how they've been doing the last 5 days, the 1 month, and you can see really to the day and almost to the minute, the full action of the market or that particular stock. So you've got your 3 months. You can see it's kind of up and down, but if you catch one of these lows, you could hop on that, bump a run, and then hop off, make a little money. That was my idea. But I'm also thinking long term. So I'm looking overall, the last year, how are these stocks trending? And so this is, this medical property company buys, they build medical buildings and then they lease them out to, facilities for services. And with COVID and everything, this is obviously going to be ramped up, but these people are big. They're everywhere. You can see that upward trend. And so I just wanted to show you that. I think it's really cool. There's some of my pharmaceuticals. Some of them haven't been doing so well, but, my idea was that if, while they're down, might be a good time to invest. If they turn around and, get some good news or something and that spikes, you could be sitting on a pretty penny. But one of the other cool things is that it has all these different markets. So if you're interested in crypto, and I don't know if you're into that or not, but a buddy of mine that I work with is, and we talk about it a lot. And, with Tesla and a lot of Mark Cuban, a lot of companies actually taking Bitcoin and cryptocurrency for payment for products and services. Webull does offer some of those on here, but I also think that it's just wise to diversify your portfolio. Make it strong. Do your research. Don't just be in this exchange. Get into some other exchange. Get into some cryptocurrency. Get into some dividends. Really make your portfolio rock solid and start small and just grow. And you can see, the other exchanges throughout the world. I mean, there's tons of opportunity to be making money. And once you get this ball rolling, I have no doubt in my mind that there is tons of money to be made. So I just wanted to show you this Webull app. If you want to know how to use it, the cool thing is once you get your account set up, so check it out. So I can just go to the market, or go to the watch list, or you can punch in something if you know what it is. But if I wanted to buy a stock of Google, all I have to do is click on Google, and you can see the upward trend in the last year. It's just skyrocketing. So if you actually had the money, this would be a great stock to invest in, because everybody knows Google ain't going anywhere. They own YouTube, Google, the biggest search engines. But you can see at the bottom, if you were to hit the trade button, that's all you got to do. And then it brings up all the information. You can pick how many shares you want, and then you can buy it. I mean, it's that easy. And that is how easy it is to use this app, and how easy it is to make a step towards your own financial freedom. Plan for your own future, enjoy it, have fun. Don't forget, this is for entertainment purposes only, but I am so excited to share my journey with all of you, and hope that, sharing this information can maybe spark something in someone else and inspire somebody else to get involved in having a happier, more financially secure life. I'm John Lee. Thanks for listening and watching. I hope this was useful. Drop some comments below, hit the like and subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications. And I'll keep you up to date on my journey. Let's make it our journey together. Till next time, I'm on to the next one.